Okay, now I'm going to teach a teacher how to use the technology that I found to teach. So first, I would go to the YouTube video. Okay, so I would actually already have the lesson with the YouTube video.
No, not what's the matter. Obviously, since you're here with me, you're pretty awesome at the moment. You might have heard that...
So the students would be able to watch this with the teacher, and the teacher would pause when certain questions are asked. An example.
Everything is made of matter, and that's true. You, soccer balls, iPads, even your pet Fluffy, all made of matter.
Pause it, ask the students, what else do you think is made out of matter? And individual, I would probably have popsicle sticks to name as students. So I'd pick randomly a popsicle stick and call out a student, have them give me the answer. That way it would, the lesson would flow smoothly instead of having a lot of kids shouting out different words. And the students would be able to learn from each other. Next, I would have, again, the teacher understand that we would be able to use Nearpod, and I'm pretty sure my fellow teachers would have a Nearpod account. So the way this works is we can either choose to do a live participation plus Zoom, a live participation, or student-paced. Now, in this lesson, I decided to use Nearpod for student-paced. So the teacher would be able to offer the launch, use student-paced.
What?
And the way this works is the teacher would get a code and she would provide the code to the students. The students would already have a Nearpod account on their tablet. Now, I believe that there's students that are advanced and this would probably not benefit them. I would have more hands-on activities for the students that already understand the concept. And the students that still need further explanation, I would allow them to use a tablet to be able to see further explanation of what matter is. So it says right here, student list. So you would wait for your students to get online, and you can actually see what your students are doing. You would be able to see the students, and there's different, I can actually share my screen too, but I think the best thing to do is just have the students go at their own pace, and I would go and make sure that they're understanding. I do believe that Nearpod should offer audio. It should read out to the students. That's not available yet, but hopefully soon it will be. So it's just an explanation. What is matter? What are the states of matter? The solid states of matter, the liquid state of matter, the gas state of matter. So I definitely recommend the Seesaw.me app. You can create your classroom, and I created a classroom today. It's a second grade classroom, so I could be able to find videos, including science teaks. And so I went to activities, and in the activities, I was able to search. So you can browse activity library. And what I did was search matter. And I got different activities that students could do. The one that I picked was one that had pictures. So this is the 3 states of matter. Sort labels into their correct state of matter. So you would assign this to the students and assign to one class, and the students are able to work on the template on their tablet. For students that need to have hands-on, I would print this out and have them cut out and paste. Like water would go where liquid's at. And this is still teaching the students, helping them understand what the 3 states of matter are. And last but not least, you can go to Kahoot. You can just Google Kahoot and you can create an account. And in this account, you can discover different videos. And I just went straight to science. And I did put matter. I searched for matter. And not popping out this time, but I found a quiz. So there's different types of quizzes. The one that I found, let's go back, is States of Matter 2nd grade quiz review. So this is a great way of being able to see if your students understand without them feeling anxious about a test. I know I get test anxiety, especially if I'm being graded, and if there is no constructive criticism, I don't even want to hear. So with this, my students will be able to play a game and, be able to work with their classmates. I would suggest giving this quiz individually. So let's try it out. So the students would be able to type in their name, and then they're all able to play this game together using their tablet. So answering a question: helium is a 7-sided balloon. It is a solid, liquid, or gas. So the students would be able to answer gas, and then it tells you if you're correct. You move on to the next question. Solids do not change. And that is, so solids do not change shape, position, subject. They don't change shape. So the students would continue to play this game, and at the end it gives you a score. Let's see if I can try to go to the end. Okay, I wasn't able to fast forward the Kahoot game, but basically at the end of the game it gives a score to all the students, and I would actually allow my students to play a second time, third time, if there's enough time. This is about it. Thank you for watching.